Dear friend, my name is Lillian, and I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you to Virtual Assistant Mastery School, your one-stop shop for a thriving and flexible career as a virtual assistant. Now is the time to shift gears and embrace the remote work revolution. With our comprehensive learning resources, expert guidance, and practical tips, you can build a strong foundation and develop in-demand skills. And when it comes to making that dream a reality, it's as simple as 1. Enrolling in our VA Mastery course. 2. Completing the action plans. 3. Getting certified. 4. Landing clients from our exclusive job board, which you will not find elsewhere, and beginning to work from wherever you choose. Plus, enjoy everyday support and become part of an empowering community. Your successful career is just a click away. If you are wondering, is this course right for me? The answer is yes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced virtual assistant, our program is designed to help you succeed. We'll teach you everything you need to know to build a successful career in this industry. Another concern you may have is the cost. We understand that investing in yourself can be scary, but we promise that it's worth it. Our program is affordable and offers incredible value. Plus, think of it as an investment in your future. With the skills and knowledge you'll gain from our course, you'll be able to earn more money and achieve your career goals. Our programs include VA Mastery Signature Course. This is a step-by-step blueprint for starting your freelance career or launching and growing your own profitable virtual assistant business from the comfort of your home. Virtual Assistant Coach Lab. One-on-one coaching sessions ideal for anyone who wants to start a career as a virtual assistant, improve their skills as a current virtual assistant, or enhance their productivity as a remote worker. We have also introduced VA Mastery Guides, our thoroughly researched and up-to-date virtual assistant guides covering fascinating VA topics to get you started with your virtual assistant journey, whether you are just getting started or want to upskill and become an expert in your field. Don't just take our word for it. Our training program has helped hundreds of students launch successful careers as virtual assistants. Our students have experienced incredible success, earning more money, and achieving their career goals. With VA Mastery School, you can be the next success story. Ready to create your dream job to support your dream life? I would like to give you a personal invitation to enroll now and become our next success story. I look forward to seeing you in.